Okay, students, it's very really happy to meet all of you in this wonderful Google Meet. There are so many students are waiting for me. I am really sorry for my 5 minutes late. P. Sasikala is there, and I am very happy that the students present here. K.M. Parthiban or Saint and others also present here. It is very really happy that to see all of you here in this Google Meet. So in this meeting we are going to discuss about how to solve the integration problem by both the mathematical method and the numerical method. You must understand that the mathematical method is somewhat difficult to solve because so many formulas we have to remember. So it is very difficult to write algorithm to solve the integration problem by mathematical methods. But in numerical method there are only few steps, and therefore it is very easy to write algorithm to solve the given integration by so-called numerical method. So because of this algorithm capacity, writing capacity, the engineering field dealt with this numerical method of solving integration problem. There are so many methods to solve integration problem. Take for example this trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule, like that. In this particular class I am going to take one problem, and that problem I am going to solve by mathematical integration and then by trapezoidal rule, and I see that by both the rule the answers are equal. That means we can replace the mathematical integration by numerical integration. Okay, so again I am very happy that I am here with you to talk about that. Now let me take that particular problem now. Okay, now look at this. This is what a mathematical integration problem. That is integration. I must take this integration 0 to 6 1 divided by 1 plus x dx. This is what the mathematical integration problem given to us. Now we have to solve this. Okay, so we know that the formula for this, that is integration 1 by 1 plus x dx equals log 1 plus x 0 to 6. How this comes, we know from the integral formula, integration f dash of x divided by f of x equals log f of x. This is what mathematical formula, log x. Okay, so this idea is used here. Here 1 plus x is there, its differentiation is in the numerator, that is 1. Therefore this formula can be applied here. So log f of x here is 1 plus x, so log 1 plus x 0 to x. So this is equal to this one. This is equal to log, substitute the upper limit 1 plus x minus log, substitute the lower limit here 1 plus 0 will come here. Okay, 1 plus as 0. You can see this 1 plus 0 will come here. So here log 1 plus 0 is equal to log 1, therefore this value equals 0. Okay, so we will get log 1 plus x is equal to log 7 plus 0 will get. Okay, that is what we will get here, plus 0 plus log 0 equals log 1 equals 0, therefore this is becomes 0, therefore we'll get log 7 plus 0. If you go to calculator, okay, so just I'm taking the calculator. Yes, the log value log 7 equals 1.94591015. Therefore the log value from the calculator is 1.94591015. This is what is called mathematical method of solving the given problem by mathematical way. Okay, so this is very easy, am I correct? This is 0 to 6, 1 by 1 plus x dx. By using the formula I will get this equals to log 1 plus x, 1 plus x 0 to 6, and this will be equal to we are substituting the upper limit 1 plus x minus the lower limit 1 plus 0. Log 1 is 0 and the log 1 plus 6 is log 7. From the calculator you will get the value is 1.94591015, right? Okay, now I am going to show you how we can solve the by numerical method. Okay, so my dear students, very happy that I see all of you here. So the people who have just come now, I would like to recall that we have taken one problem. That problem is what here, integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx, that we solved by mathematical method. Now I do want to solve this by what is called the numerical method of solving it. Okay, the numerical method of solving the integration problem. Now you have to remember that integration of a to b f of x dx by trapezoidal rule, that equals h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y1 y2 y3 dot 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 yn minus 1. So what do you understand? The integration value of any function is exactly equal to h, the common difference in the x-axis. H means common difference in the x-axis, and then y0 is the first y coordinate, and y1 or yn is the last coordinate. We are adding both plus 2 times of the left out coordinates. I mean left out coordinates of this one, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 dot 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 yn minus 1. This is called trapezoidal rule. Any integration will be equal to this value. That's what we have to understand. So now we are taking the same problem that we have just before seen, and we are applying this particular rule to solve the problem we discussed just before. So this is a problem given to us, am I correct? 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx. What the trapezoidal rule says, this integration, not only this integration, any integration would be equal to the common interval in x-axis h by 2. Inside the bracket we have to add first coordinates and the last coordinates, and then plus 2 times of the left out coordinates, that is left out of the first and last coordinates. That's what we have to understand here. So this I am taking as equation number 1. Now I have to find what is h, what is y0, what is yn, what is y1, what is y2, what is y3, dot 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 yn minus 1. All these components I have to find out. Okay, so how I am finding out here? Look at that. The total integral length is equal to 0 to 6. That is, the total length on the x-axis is from 0 to 6. Look at that. This is the integrand value, the integral value 0 to 6, that is 0 to 6. So 6 minus 0, that is upper limit, minus lower limit, will get 6 units. These 6 units I am equally dividing. So equally dividing by 6. So I will get the equal interval 6 by 6 of 1 unit each. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. 0 to 6, am I correct? 0 to 6 is the total length. I am equally dividing. What I will get from here to 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 5 plus 1 6. So the total length 0 to 6 I have divided into equal length of 6 intervals. I have got it. So that's what we have to do here. Total length is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 6 units. How to find the equal interval? Divide 6 by 6. I am dividing by 6 equal intervals, so I will get 6 equal intervals of 1 unit each. 1 unit each. Okay, right. Next step. Now we are making the table to find the value of x and y. Okay, now takes the value of x starting with 0. So what is the equal interval length? 1. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So there are 6 intervals. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 intervals would come there because of 0 included here. From here to here, one interval. From here to here, another 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 interval. So there are 6 intervals are there. Now the given function is what? 1 by 1 plus x. That is what f of x, or y we say. So y equals 1 divided by 1 plus x. Right? Right. When x equals 0, this value is 1 divided by 1 plus 0, 1. When x takes a value 1, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 equals 2. The denominator 2, you will have 1 by 2. If you put x equals 2, the denominator what you will have? 1 divided by 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 3 you will have. When x equals 3, y equals 1 plus x, that is 1 plus 3, 1 by 4 you will get. When x equals 4, you will get 1 by 5. When x equals 5, you will get 1 by 6. When x equals 6, you will get 1 by 7. Okay, this is x naught, this is y naught, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, this is x3, this is y3, this is x4, this is y4, this is x5, this is y5, this is x6, this is y6. So now look at the equation number 1, that is trapezoidal rule. We must have what is h. H is what? Equal interval on the x-axis. So what is the equal interval here? 1 1 1 1 1. So h we have got, that is 1 by 2 into y naught. Y naught is what here? Look at the y row. Y naught is 1. So 1 plus yn. Am I correct? Yn is what? The last coordinates. That is y6. Here 1 by 7, y6. plus 2 times of the remaining coordinates. You leave out this and this. You leave out this and this. You write all the other coordinates, that is sum of all the other coordinates. 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 3 is there, 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 5 is there, 1 by 6 is there. 1 by 7 is not there because we have added here. So 1 by 2 into first bracket 1 plus 1 by 7 plus 2 into 1 by 2, this one, plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. If you by using calculator we are simplifying this. Okay, now let us take the calculator. One plus 1 by 7 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Addition of these to divide by 2. Yes, I get the value 1.9587306. That is 1.9587306. Okay, so this is what I have from the calculator. Now therefore the integration of 0 to 6, 1 by 1 plus x dx equals 1.9587306. Now let me take the answer by mathematical methods. If you see the mathematical methods, what you will get is that this one, that is 1.94591015 for this integration value. Okay, so for by numerical method, that is trapezoidal rule, what I got here for the same problem 0 to 6, 1 by 1 plus x dx, the value I am getting here is 1.9587306. That is by mathematical method way I got this, by numerical way I got this. Okay, so this is the way we can solve any integration problem. Okay, so I have to come to the end of this Google Meet discussion. So I am really happy that many of you have attended this particular session, and thank you for that. In the other session I will take another problem and we will meet again. So thank you very much because you have shown patience for the past nearly 20 minutes with me. Thank you.